Hey, this is Mrs. Warren, and if you are watching this, you have probably missed October 5th, which is a Friday. Today's learning target is that we will analyze the advantages and disadvantages of the British and Continental armies. Now, accompanying this video, there is a sheet called Preparation for War that you can get from me when you get back to class. In your notebook, we're going to be on page 41. Now, keep in mind, spirals are due on Monday for 5-point bonus, and spirals are due on Tuesday for full credit, and after that, they'll be late. Now, Hamilton is a musical. It's a very popular musical, and Alexander Hamilton is one of America's founding fathers, and his story is the story of the revolution and of a brand new country. And there's several songs that come from the musical that are about the revolution. So we'll be using them intermittently. Now, if you enter in the video code there, there's a great video with the music that talks about what people were thinking about early in 1776, ready to go and fight the war and making a life and bettering their station because they're going to fight for the revolution. And you'll see Alexander Hamilton in that particular video. And no, he's not 14. He's about, in history, he was about 18 or 19 at that time. So please watch that. Now, when you're watching one of these makeup videos, remember you can always pause and rewind and come back to any directions that you need to do. So on page 41, we're starting a brand new unit, the American Revolution. Now, we have already declared independence in 1776 on the 4th of July. There's been a few skirmishes already with the British, but the British are sending thousands and thousands of troops to squash the rebellion. And we're going to have to figure out how we are going to fight the largest, biggest, strongest army and navy in the world. So please make a unit page on page 41. Just writing the American Revolution and the years that it went on. Now, we are outnumbered and outmanned and outplanned, and Washington is having an incredibly difficult time. This song is called Right Hand Man, not Guns and Ships. And we'll talk about guns and ships at another time. Please go to the shortened URL, plug it into your computer, watch it, and you'll get an idea about what's wrong with our army at the very beginning. Now, going to page 43. That's page 43. Please title it Advantages and Disadvantages. And in the next part of the lesson, we're going to compare the British Army, as you see here, to the American Army. And already you can tell the difference at the beginning of war just in their uniforms. Now, you're going to be using a program called Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is a video lesson program. I will assign you videos to watch through Google Classroom. Now, when you watch those videos, you cannot forward them. It will either come to a comment, the video will stop, or a question that you need to answer. Listen carefully. You cannot rewind after you answer a question. So if you answer a question and you want to go back to it, you cannot. Now, you can rewatch a segment before you answer a question. So if you're not sure about the answer, rewatch, answer the question, and then continue. Okay, I'll explain more in a second. So you need to log on to a Chromebook or your phone and go to edpuzzle.com. You're going to log in with your Google login, your school Google. Go to Google Classroom, and you're going to click on the latest assignment. It's called History Brief 2 Sides. If it tells you you're in the wrong classroom when you click on it, X out of that comment and it will take you to the correct one. Watch the video, answer the questions. Now, after you finish the worksheet, I mentioned that you would pick up at the beginning of class called the Preparation for War. Please answer the questions at the bottom. You're going to cut off the chart You're going to glue it onto page 43 as notes, and then you're going to turn in the answers to your questions. Let me know if there's anything more I can do to help or answer any questions while you were away. Thanks again. Bye-bye.